let's create a folder. Okay, inside the components we'll have article list, which is functional component to list the article. We'll have form, okay, component form, which will be used to post the articles and to edit articles. We'll have navbar, okay, component and API service. So let me start to create a login. Okay, so this is React function. So here this is functional based components. Okay, so the next thing is, let's create another component, which is form. It is React functional component. Okay, let's create another functional component. I can say this is article list to display the articles from backend. Article list.js. It is also React functional component. Here I can say list of articles. All right, then let me create another. Okay, let me name it API service. API service.js. Okay, so far let me leave this blank as a blank. So let me close everything. Okay, then what we need to do, let me open up index.js. Okay, so in index.js, make sure you import React DOM. Okay, that's it. So here let me create function. I'm going to create a function called the router, then you return, okay, return something. So here let me import something. Let me import something else. Route browser. Yes, let's see, browser router. Okay, so let me import. So here in your return, let me do something like this. So let me Control S to save the changes. Okay, so here on app, let me say router. Let me Control S to save the changes, and then let's go on our browser. You can see login form. So this is a default page. So once user type our URL, we should be able to display the login form. So here what I'll do, I'm going to create just first let me show you something here. What if I do something like this? Articles. Okay, you can see hello world. So the first thing we are going to start working with is to display the list of articles on this page. Okay, but as we proceed, we'll make sure that once user type our URL is redirected to the login page, and the user cannot view articles, cannot post articles, cannot delete or update without logging in. So we'll use something cookies on browser, but so far we are going to proceed with articles. I mean, we are going to dive in deep on article listing. Okay, So in app.js, I needed to import article list. All right, thank you for autocomplete. Then after, what I can do here, I can call the component here. Yes. So let me Ctrl S to save the changes. So you can see a list of articles. So this has nothing to do with. Okay, so anything I change here in article list will be reflected over here. You can see. So that's it. So the next thing we are going to do is to use effect and the React hooks to fetch the list of articles present in our backend database.